Hello, everyone. This is Glen Guyton, your cultural navigator, coming to you from a retreat center somewhere in Pennsylvania. I'm cold right now. I'm in this room. It's freezing, but I wanted to talk to you, so let's spend a little time together today. We're going to talk about code switching. Have you heard of code switching? Well, it's something that we all do. And as we think about diversity and inclusion, one of the things we have to be aware of is code switching. So what is code switching? Basically, it's kind of like what it sounds, that you switch codes. You switch the way you communicate, you switch the way you interact with people, and we all do it on some level in order to fit into a different culture. Now, so there's different reasons why people code switch. Yeah, fitting in. I said that. So that's one reason. If you are outside of a group, if you want to hang out with a group of athletes or something like that, you may pick up sports talk, the lingo, the jargon, or whatever people say within that particular group that you want to fit into. Sometimes people code switch in order to get something, right? I want to get something from you, so I'm going to have to learn how to talk your language. I'm going to act like you. I'm going to emulate you. I'm going to switch things up in order to get what I want from you. Sometimes we code switch just as a means of survival, right? So as an African American male in a professional setting, I may speak one way. I may interact with my peers in one way. I may watch the way I say things, the way I approach people or interact, because I don't want to seem threatening. But when I'm with my friends, maybe playing basketball or hanging out or yachting, when I go yachting with my friends, there are certain things that I do when I'm on my yacht. I don't have a yacht, but if I was on a yacht, I would switch up. I would code switch. Yacht lingo and basketball lingo are probably different things. I don't know. I don't have a yacht. Maybe they have a basketball court on a yacht, and then you have to mix things up. But code switching is just something that we all do in order to fit into different cultures. And sometimes if we are in the dominant culture, we don't have to code switch. We want people to switch and do things like we do. So that's something we have to be mindful of when we're thinking about diversity and inclusion. If we are a group of men, are we expecting women to code switch when they come into our environment? Are we creating a hostile workforce or a hostile environment because we are effectively blocking other people from communicating in ways that they want to communicate? Just something to think about. We all do it. When you go talk to your boss or you go talk to the big boss, you may switch up how you communicate, how you interact. Something that we all do, but we have to be mindful that when we do code switch, or if we are in positions of power, we don't force people to communicate in ways that are uncomfortable, or we create such an environment where people don't even understand what we're talking about. That's one of the ways that people utilize code switching. Sometimes we have our own inner language, our own inner circle of how we communicate with people, and that can be a barrier to people getting promoted in a workforce or even being effective in how they do their job. So we can create an environment where we've switched up a code to be barriers to other people. So just something to keep in mind. Hopefully you all are having a great day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for liking this page. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.